Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're setting up the Xiaomi G24i gaming monitor the right way. This 200Hz beast is cheap, but you need the right settings to unlock its full power. Let's dive in. First things first, go into Windows display settings and make sure you're running 200Hz at 1920 by 1080. Don't skip this step. Many people leave it at 60Hz and wonder why games feel slow. Next, turn on FreeSync in both your monitor menu and graphics card settings. This kills screen tearing completely. The G24i supports FreeSync Premium, so definitely use it. Now for the important stuff. Press the joystick on the back to open the menu. Set response time to ultra fast for that 1 millisecond speed. You'll see way less blur in fast games. For brightness, go to 75%. This helps you spot enemies hiding in the dark corners without burning your eyes. Set contrast to 65%. Too high crushes the blacks, too low makes everything washed out. Color temperature should be 6500K. This is the standard setting. It looks neutral and doesn't tire your eyes during long gaming sessions. Go to picture mode and select sRGB. The monitor is factory calibrated for this mode with delta E less than 2. That means accurate colors right out of the box. Turn off any motion blur or smoothing features. These add input lag. For competitive games, you want raw speed, not fancy effects. If your room has lots of light, use the black equalizer feature. Set it to about 15. This brightens dark areas without making bright spots too intense. Perfect for shooters. Enable HDR in Windows if you play single-player games. It makes a huge difference in supported titles. Just turn it off for competitive multiplayer, as it can add a bit of lag. Last tip, enable the low blue light filter at night. Your eyes will thank you. That's it. These monitors will make your Xiaomi G24i perform like a monitor twice the price. Try them out and let me know how it goes in the comments. See you next time.